Speaking for the sake of speaking means talking even when there isn't a specific reason to do so. Sometimes people do this because they want to fill in the silence. They might feel uncomfortable when things are quiet and think it's better to say something, even if it's not very important, okay? Silence is golden if you ask me. Another reason could be to connect with other people, because people often chat to feel close to their family and their friends. And, they might tell stories, jokes, or even just talk about their day. This helps them build friendships and, makes people feel good, right? So sometimes people speak to share their thoughts or their feelings. They might want to explain something that's on their mind or share their opinions, because, talking can help them understand their own feelings better. However, speaking without a purpose can also lead to misunderstandings. So if someone talks a lot without thinking, it can confuse others, making them feel bored. It's important to find a balance. Speaking can be fun and helpful, but sometimes it's okay to just listen and enjoy the silence too. I would prefer it. So while talking to people can bring people together, it's important to think about what you say and why. You're going to be more respected for it.